All right, guys. This is Next Solution. This tutorial, I will learn how to install Jupyter Notebook locally on your system. How you can install Jupyter Notebook on your system, on your Windows. All right. Okay. Without wasting much of your time, let us dive in. Now, to install Jupyter Notebook on your system, first we have to install Python. Just search for Python on your Google. Then python.org. Click on Python. Make sure you have your Python installed. All right. I'll go to download. Choose you'll specify your OS. I'm using Windows. Just click on Windows and then download the latest version of Python, which is Python 3. Click on it and it will start downloading. Just wait for the Python to completely download. Okay, now we have downloaded Python. Now the next step is to click and install Python direct on our system. Here's the Python file. Just click on it to install it. Or is loading. Okay, now make sure you click on add to path. Make sure you click here, add to path. And after clicking here, you click on install and Python will install on your system. I have it already installed, so no need for me to install that. Okay, after doing that, let us dive into our command prompt. You can just type cmd on your Windows. All right, now open your Windows command. That is the terminal. Now here on terminal, type in pip install Jupyter. Okay, pip install Jupyter. Hit on enter. This process will start installing Jupyter on your system. Okay, now mine is done because I already have it installed. So mine is done. Now once I've done, you can now come down here and create a folder. And you can use any of your existing folder. Okay, you can name your folder anything. Maybe I name my Python works. Okay, open the folder. Now right on the folder, right click on the folder instead of just right click there and click on open in terminal. All right, just wait a little bit for it to open in terminal. Okay, right here it has opened on terminal. All right, now the next step is to click on, just type in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, Jupyter Notebook, and hit on enter. All right, this will open a server with a local host. And right here my Jupyter Notebook is open. Okay, it is now open. Now the next step is to start coding with Jupyter Notebook. Click on new, select notebook. All right, now here select your language. Remember, you have to select Python 3, right? And click on select. Now we have Jupyter Notebook installed. Okay, we can test this by saying print hello world. You can run it by just holding on the shift key and click on enter. Okay, it says hello world, right? You can also say s equals to 2 and y equals to 10, print s plus y, shift enter. Oh sorry, I added both. As you can see, it worked. 12. So we have Jupyter Notebook installed on our system. All right. So this is how you can install Jupyter Notebook right in your system. Thank you guys.